Okay. She favored as a girl education. Through the education, the girls, they will be aware about their rights. Clear, Rhythm? Very good. So thank you. उसके बेबी, देवी, नॉट बेबी, DEVI, देवी नाम है, जैसे गर्ग जी हैं, सरनेम है. हाँ, बी फॉर बॉल, देवी उसका नेम है, रशुंदरी देवी उसका नाम है, बेबी नहीं है. ठीक है, हाँ देवी ही कह रहा हूं, देवी देवी वो कास्ट रिफॉर्म्स में आएगा नाम, ज्योतिराव फुले का नाम. ज्योतिराव फुले, पेरियार, डॉक्टर BR अम्बेडकर, दे कंट्रीब्यूटेड इन अ कास्ट रिफॉर्म्स, नॉट इन अ वुमेन रिफॉर्म्स, इसलिए सेपरेट का आपको. हाँ, वो उनकी वाइफ के कारण, ही सपोर्टेड हिज वाइफ सावित्री बाई फुले. चलें, वेरी गुड, थैंक यू. सो नेक्स्ट वन, continuation of a women reforms. Women reforms in 19th century, in 19th century, in 19th century, 19th and the 20th century, no, over 19 continuation of women women reforms in 19th and the 20th century. Jawaharlal Nehru and the Subhash Chandra Bose, these were the nationalist leaders, nationalists which contributed their contribution in a freedom of India, freedom of country. Nationalist Subhash Chandra Bose and Pandit Nehru, nationalist leaders, these were the nationalist leaders which were contributed in, they were contributed to raise voice for women. Am I audible? Contributed in women's rights, right to vote, within bracket as a suffrage movement. They contributed to raise the voice of a women right to vote for women, which means suffrage movement, SUFFRAGE. अब आपकी टर्न है, आप बोलिए. Oh, very good. So the suffrage movement means when women struggling for right to vote in society. आपको खड़ा किस लिए क्या आपको पता है? बैठने का तो क्वेश्चन ही नहीं बनता, आपको तो कुछ और कहा गया है. चलो कंटिन्यू. So suffrage movement, when women are struggling for right to vote in society. In this process, at the earlier in French society, given as a right to vote to the women in French Revolution. In which year the French Revolution occurred? 1789. 1789 French Revolution. 1789 French Revolution. 1917 Russia. 1917 Russia. 1789 France. 1917 Russia. 1920 England. 1920 England. 1920 England. नहीं दोबारा 1789 1789 France, 1917 Russia, 1920 England. And in which year the women's got the right to vote in India, in our country India? 1956. 50. When Constitution of India enacted and enforced in India, 1950 in India. 1789 में फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन आए, उसमें fraternity, equality, these ideas these two nationalist leaders, Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose, they contributed for the equality for women in society, through which they raised the voice for the right to vote for women, full stop. Now as a caste reforms, second part of a chapter, caste reforms. Caste hierarchy. Caste hierarchy means as an order of a caste. Caste hierarchy continued from ancient India. It was based on control नहीं हो रहा है सब कुछ. Caste reforms. Caste hierarchy. It began through the ancient history, which was based on occupations. It was based on occupations, in which society divided into 4 groups, 4 varnas. Varna system. It was based on occupations. Society divided into the 4 groups: Brahmin, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Shudras. Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Kshatriya, Vaishyas, and Shudras, Shudras, Shudras. Clear? In this caste division, lower parts of a society comprised by the Shudras. Caste system, lower sections of society comprised by, sit down Guntas, comprised by Shudras, which were engaged in they were engaged in low graded works like cleaning, sweeping, construction, servants, etc. These people known as coolies, COOLIES, C for cat, rhythm, COOLIES. हो गया? Spellings हो गया? Yes, they were known as a coolies, which were responsible to carrying material, rickshaw pullers, cleaners, sweepers, etc. Because of their low standard and discrimination takes place by upper caste discrimination takes place by the upper caste they feel inferior. They were also known as untouchables. They were also known as the untouchables. Yes. Children of God, the term given by the Mahatma Gandhi to the untouchables. उनको हरिजन कहा गया, वो बात की बात, ठीक है ना। अभी हम मेडिवल एज में कहीं बिगनिंग में हैं, वहां पर भी आएंगे हम, वो वहां आएगा where the role of caste reformers contributed for the upliftment of the untouchables, वहां आएगा हरिजन्स वर्ड, चिल्ड्रन ऑफ गॉड, ठीक है ना। सो untouchables means, so untouchables, those people, untouchables were those untouchables, these were those people which were belong from low caste group and engaged in low graded works, Untouchable was a designation. It was a designation for people who belonged from the lowest caste in Indian society, lowest caste in Indian society, They were also known as the Dalits, D-A-L-I-T-S, lowest caste in society, in Indian society. They were also known as the Dalits, full stop. Now the role of the social reformers, caste reformers, contribution of a caste reformers. Now the first has the Western India. In Western India, the role of a caste reformers from Western India, first as the Ranade Bhandarkar, R-A-N-A-D-E, Ranade and Bhandarkar, they contributed for the upliftment of untouchables, R-A-N-A-D-E, and Bhandarkar. Separate names are there. Maharashtra. Separate names. Ranade and Bhandarkar. These reformers of Maharashtra, reformers from Maharashtra, they founded the Prarthana Samaj. They founded Prarthana Samaj as equivalent to the Brahma Samaj. Prarthana Samaj in 1867. In 1867, they condemned. 1867, they condemned. Condemned women, and they condemned the discrimination against women, and campaigned for the upliftment of untouchables in society, untouchables, upliftment of untouchables in society, of untouchables in society, untouchables in society. Second name, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. हाँ जी, M.G. रानाडे कहा जाता है इनको, महादेव गोविंद रानाडे. Second, B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Separate next one. Next one. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar belongs to the Mahar caste. Mahar, M-A-H-A-R. Mahar, which were sailed the boats. बोट को चलाने वाला महर. हाँ जी, M-A-H-A-R, Mahar caste. He devoted his entire life for fighting against of the caste system. Caste system. He devoted his entire life against of caste system. He founded the Scheduled Caste Federation. Scheduled Caste Federation. SCH. He founded the Scheduled Caste Federation. Organization. Federation एक organization बनाए for upliftment of untouchables. Federation. Scheduled Caste Federation. In 1927, he started the Temple Entry movement. In 1927, he started Temple Entry movement because at that time the untouchables were not allowed to go in a temples. So separate temples were set up for the untouchables. Temple Entry movement, 1927. 1927. मंदिर, TEMPLE. आप आगे आ जाओ. Second benches begin. Temple Entry movement. Temple Entry movement. Third contribution, his contribution. His contribution in a caste reforms. He demanded the separate electorates. He demanded separate electorates, constituencies, electorates for untouchables in 1931. 1931 means कुछ areas, कुछ constituencies India में ऐसी होंगी from where ऐसे था only untouchables contest in elections. 1931, 31. Very good. Next one. Next one. He protected untouchables through the constitution. Through constitution. He protected the untouchables through the Indian Constitution. Constitution of India. Constitution of India. In which marked that the untouchability abolished. In which article? In which article of a constitution? 21. Very good. Anybody? 17. Excellent. 17. Article 17. Article 21 is a right to life, right to equality. Article 17. 17. Untouchability abolished. Indian Constitution. Clear? Now the next one. Second. Sorry, third. Next name is Shri Narayan Guru. Shri Narayan Guru. Shri Narayan Guru. Shri Narayan Guru. मैं बुक से बोल रहा हूं, नेम्स तो वहीं से ले रहा हूं, आपको पता नहीं लगा, सॉरी. चलो, Shri Narayan Guru. So during the mid of the 19th century, mid of the 19th century, many social reformers followed the path of a Narayan Guru, path of Shri Narayan Guru of Kerala. He belonged from the Izhava family, Izhava caste, EZ. Izhava caste. It's a V. EZHAVA. He belonged from the Izhava caste, who were considered as a low caste in society. He experienced oppressive caste system, in his entire life, and worked for the betterment of untouchables, and reformation of a Hindu society, He believed that reformation of Hindu society, he believed that there was no reason for caste differences, in society, because he gave the message of one caste, one God, and one religion. He gave the message of one caste, one God, one religion. That's it.